Hello everyone, very vital English lesson for the beginners. Anything but plus any adjective like lazy, courageous, easy, boring, rude in this context means not at all, but it leaves the possibility for other qualities. She is anything but lazy. ඇය ඕන දෙයක් නමුත් කම්මැලි නෑ. She may have other qualities. She may be proud. She may be intelligent. Other qualities. Possibilities for other qualities is there. Are there. He is anything but courageous. ඔහු ඕන දෙයක් නමුත් ධෛර්යවන්ත නැහැ. The test is anything but easy. පරීක්ෂණය ඕන දෙයක් නමුත් ඕන විදියක් නමුත් ලේසි නැහැ. My brother is anything but true. මගේ සහෝදරයා වෙන ඕන විදියක් නමුත් rude රළු නැහැ, රළු ගති නැහැ. The movie is anything but boring. චිත්‍රපටය එහෙම නැත්නම් ෆිල්ම් එක වෙන ඕන විදියකට තියෙනවා නමුත් මේ boring කියන එක කියන්නේ ඒක බලන්න එපා වෙන ගතියක් නැහැ කියන්නේ. Right. There are 5 sentences. Each sentence denies a specific mentioned quality: lazy, courageous, easy, rude, and boring. There are possibilities for other qualities. Each sentence: she is anything but lazy. She may have other qualities. Right. If this lesson is helpful to you or to learn the lessons like this, join with us, follow my page.